Good morning everyone, or afternoon. I assume you guys are all here today because we would love to learn how to grow on your streaming platform of choice. So today we're basically going to be covering all of the main things that you can do for free to grow your channel. Super easy. Anyway guys, let's get into this. Okay, so the number one way, and I think the absolute best way to grow your Twitch channel, your Mixer channel, your streaming platform of choice is to network. And what I mean by that is 100% put yourself out there. If you don't have TikTok, advertise yourself on TikTok. And I don't just mean putting your best Twitch clips on TikTok, like put yourself out there. People join your channel for you. They can watch any old game at any time if they're after the game. But if they're on your channel, they're there for you. So advertise you, advertise your personality, your sort of stuff. Out on TikTok, YouTube's an amazing place. The problem with YouTube is the same thing, you still need to get discovered, and TikTok's discoverability is awesome. So if you can start on a platform like TikTok, I'm only saying TikTok a lot because it's the best platform to do it. Personally, I use it. I know a lot of other YouTubers that use it, a lot of other streamers that use it. Not because it's necessarily what they were planning on doing. It helps grow the channel like a lot. But yeah, you don't have to advertise yourself just on TikTok. There are lots of other ways that you should be doing it, like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok are the main four that you will use to advertise yourself. So like I said, just put yourself out there. 110%, you gotta put yourself out there. Okay, and this is the second part to networking. And what I mean by this, this doesn't mean just advertise yourself on social medias. This is like talking to people in comments, befriending random people, join discords for streamers, discords for gamers, discords for that sort of stuff. Get in contact, like talk about something you enjoy, and then maybe drop in, oh I stream on this and this, and then we go, oh yeah, I'll check you out. But what I don't mean is follow for follow. I don't mean jump into a comment and be like, everyone, this is my Twitch, to everyone, this is my Mixer, go watch, or hey, I stream, watch. Or don't go, oh if I follow you, follow me. That's no one watches a follow for follow. I get lots of people ask for follow, and I hit them with the same answer every time. I would rather 20 followers and 10 viewers every stream than 5,000 followers and 20 or 10 viewers per stream, because your follower to viewer ratio, you'd rather have a following that wants to view you. You don't want followers that are just sitting there. No one wants that. Especially for live streaming, you want viewers, not followers. So that is the biggest part. Okay, so number two is falling under the schedule category. So this doesn't just mean have a schedule for your stream. I mean have an upload schedule for your other platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, whatever you're advertising yourself on. Have a sort of upload schedule in your head of when you want videos out. You want to try to have a consistent amount of videos out every week, roughly 2 to 3 on YouTube. I'm trying to keep 2 a week. I was doing 1, and now I'm trying to do 2 a week, which does make it a bit hard considering I stream full time as well. Once again, you will also want a streaming schedule. You may get people be like, oh, you don't need a schedule, no one watches you. They don't know. Ignore them. You need a schedule. No one's going to come back if they don't know when you're streaming. Someone might be like, oh yeah, when you're streaming next, and you'd hit them with an I don't know. They're not going to know when you're streaming next either, so they might miss that next stream. So have a schedule in your about, in your wherever it is on your streaming platform, whether you hold your schedule, your Discord, or your donate, or all those sort of links in that. You definitely want that in there. So number 3 is effort. And I don't just mean I'll put effort into streaming, I mean everything else. You got to put time aside for YouTube videos, TikToks. Put the effort into those videos. Like, take time in your editing. I'm going to be honest, I'm still learning how to edit properly. If you would like the link to a video editing software, I'll leave a link in the description for you. It's called DaVinci Resolve. Super easy to use, and if you would like me to, I can do a mini tutorial on it. So basically, to sum that up, people go for people who put the effort in. The more effort in, the nicer everything is, the smoother everything is, the more organized you are when it comes to this stuff. that's where effort gets you, which will also make people recognize the effort you put in. So number 4, yeah, it's 4. You want to have a theme, some sort of theme that goes together. So like mine is black and red theme. As you can see, black and red. My PC has a black and red fan system. When I'm streaming, my mic, black and red. Everything about my setup is black and red, except for the background. Now I've changed that, but I'm going to be getting a green screen maybe soon. Even behind the scenes of your setup, I've got a red thing up there. You can't see that, but I know it's there. It looks aesthetically pleasing, and it just sort of makes your setup look nice, and just keep that theme. Use your thumbnail, have a theme for your thumbnails. If you're doing YouTube, like a reddish, or like mine, I try to have a bit of red in each one. I don't know, just have a set theme, have your banner, your YouTube picture, all that sort of stuff. Same sort of aesthetic, you know? Keep it simple, because no one wants to go and see red, orange, bit of purple, green, just all over the place. You want to stick to a simple, nice color that makes it really nice to please it, like pleasing on your eyes and not so harsh. And the last one, and definitely not least, you want to be yourself. I cannot express this enough. Be yourself, because like I said, people come back for you. They don't go to your channel just to watch your gameplay or just to be there for the sake of it. They're there for you. If you're not being yourself, you're not being genuine, some people can feel that and they don't want to be there. You've just got to be yourself. I cannot express that enough. Anyway guys, thank you for sticking to the end of the video. If this helped, leave a like. If you've got any more questions, let me know down below. I'm going to be doing some more videos on how to help you guys as streamers become bigger, better, and improve your setups a lot. And if you have not already, join the Discord. And if you have not already, grab some of that delicious Rogue Energy. It is healthier, tastier than you know who. Anyway guys, I'll see you in my next vid. Ciao!